what is entrepreneurship? What is the basic
Basic
idea
idea.
behind the entrepreneurship?
Correct. So especially entrepreneurship is like basically you run a business. So that is usually like solo or with partner.
It is known that fitness field is basically male dominating field.
Correct.
And you entered in that field.
Yes.
So, how many enemies you have? Namaste. Welcome to our channel, People Around Us, or in Marathi, माणसे अवतीभोवतीचे. You know very well that in this channel we introduce some common people who do uncommon work. So today's our guest is eminent personality Vijay. Welcome Vijay to our channel.
Namaste.
Basically Vijay is my daughter-in-law's Amruta's best friend and trainer, and nowadays she is my friend also. Vijay is an entrepreneur, female entrepreneur. She is a beautician, she runs pathological lab, and she is a versatile personality. So let us start our chatting with Vijay. So again welcome Vijay.
Thank you.
Vijay, first of all tell me
Yes, sir.
about your background, about your childhood, about your first career, about your education,
Sure.
where you lived,
Yes.
everything about your background.
First of all, I would like to thank Auntie for making me as a guest
Okay.
for such a beautiful channel she is running.
Yes.
It's really very good that at this age she is really enterprising this type of channel, and it's like very good that she is spreading the awareness to everyone,
Yes.
to so many people who's introducing them. Really, I'm very fascinated to be in this channel today.
Thank you. Vijay.
So auntie,
About your background.
Yeah, my background is nothing. My as usual, my childhood.
Yes.
वही है. अभी क्या like कॉलेज मैंने MSc like PG में मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी शुरू किया, फिनिश किया. बाद में मैंने 2 साल लैब के अंदर काम कर दिया.
अच्छा.
थोड़ा उधर काम करने के वक्त मैंने सोचा वो ओनर को मैं बार बार देख रही थी कैसे वो ऐसा रन करता है. थोड़ा तब तक मुझे आ गया एक ना एक बार मुझे एक लैब खोलना चाहिए. वो तब मोटिवेट हो गया मैंने. उधर 2 साल में क्या किया मैंने, सभी डिपार्टमेंट में जाके मैंने सभी का सिखाया.
अच्छा.
सीख लिया. क्या है ना, वो साहब भी बोलते हैं ओनर भी, तो आप एक दिन आप एक डिपार्टमेंट नहीं आती है तो उधर ही खड़ी रहती. नहीं थोड़ा लर्न करने. वो आप तुम भी फ्यूचर में एक लैब खोलने के लिए तैयार है क्या करके पूछ रहा था.
अच्छा.
मैंने कहा कुड बी मे बी करके ऐसा मैंने सिखाया. बाद में 2 साल के बाद में ब्रेक हो गया. वो लैब में नहीं था, मैंने गवर्नमेंट जॉब चले गई.
Different अलग
अलग. मेरा तो ट्रेन उधर से दूसरी भी स्टेशन चली गई.
ओके, मतलब आप रेलवे में
काम मिला. उधर जाके मैं रिजर्वेशन काउंटर में था 2-3 साल.
अच्छा.
बाद में थोड़ा मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम दिया, उसके बाद वो भी छोड़ दी मैंने.
अच्छा.
छोड़ के 1 साल ब्रेक हो गया. उसके बाद वो शादी होगा, सब हो गया. उसके बाद मैंने सोचा घर में बैठ के 1 साल क्या करना है. थोड़ा पढ़ी हूँ, थोड़ा क्रिएटिविटी है, थोड़ा हार्ड वर्क भी कर सकती हूँ मुझे, तो क्यों घर में बैठ के क्या करूँगी. इसीलिए मैंने सोचा एक लैब शुरू करूँ. छोटा मोटा लैब था वो. उसी टाइम पूरा हार्ड वर्क, सुबह से 5 बजे से रात में 10 बजे तक लैब में रहती थी पूरा का पूरा दिन. ऐसा थोड़ा हार्ड वर्क किया मैंने. बाद में स्टाफ वगैरह रखे, आज तक वो 15 साल हो गया.
अच्छा.
लैब शुरू करने के बाद. इसके बाद मेरा फिटनेस जर्नी तो 5 साल हो गया.
अच्छा.
बाद में वो चेन्नई में है वो लैब। बाद में मैंने क्या किया, मेरा फैमिली इधर ही था,
अच्छा।
इसीलिए मैंने सोचा फैमिली एक टुगेदर रहना, इसीलिए मैं उधर से इधर शिफ्ट करके
अच्छा।
5 साल हो गया। तो 5 साल में इधर आने के बाद मैंने सोचा, एक महीने घर में बैठा था, उधर तो पूरा बिजी था, इधर करके क्या करूं, क्या करना है, थोड़ा मेंटल जैसा हो गया। इसीलिए मैंने सोचा ये फिटनेस तो इंटरेस्ट है ना, ये मेरा पैशन है।
ओके।
ये मेरे लिए, मैं फिटनेस फिट रहने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है।
अच्छा अच्छा।
इसीलिए मैं आई ऑलवेज गो टू जिम एंड वर्कआउट माई सेल्फ।
ओके।
क्या मैंने क्या सोचा कि वर्कआउट करने के बाद थोड़ा डाउट्स वगैरह होता है ना सभी का, वो डाउट्स के लिए कि मैं ठीक से करती हूँ या नहीं, इसीलिए मैंने सोचा ओके जाके कोर्स में ज्वाइन करूँ, तो दैट यू लर्न एवरीथिंग, क्या है करेक्ट फॉर्म क्या है।
यस।
मैंने और कोर्स में गए और मैंने फैकल्टी में बोला वो ये तुम तो बहुत ही अच्छी करती हो,
अच्छा।
और बहुत ही जल्दी लर्न करती हो, आपका वो टीचिंग स्किल्स बहुत अच्छा है, क्यों आप टीचिंग भी नहीं कर सकते हैं करके, इसीलिए मैंने फील्ड में चूज किया। आया ये बीच में मैं क्या सोचा, एक और फील्ड को भी थोड़ा करने के लिए वो ब्यूटिशियन कोर्स भी कर दिया। ऐसा मेरा जर्नी कंटिन्यू हो रहा है।
ऐसे मतलब क्या बोलते हैं कि एम्प्टी माइंड इज डेविल्स
माइंड।
यस यस। बट मेरा आपने कभी एम्प्टी नहीं रखा, मतलब
नहीं रखा।
यस।
मैंने मेरा बहुत ही स्ट्रांग क्या है ना, मैं एक मिनट पे भी आइडल नहीं रखता।
अच्छा।
मेरा बहुत वीकनेस पॉइंट है ना, मैं कीप लर्निंग समथिंग।
यस।
मेरा आइडिया तो वही है, ये नहीं चाहिए वो लर्न करना है, वो क्या करते हैं वो मुझे भी लर्न करना है। ऐसा मेरा लाइक माय ब्रेन इज ऑलवेज फॉर more wanting for more food.
Yes. It's your journey is amazing. That is, first of all, you completed your MSc in molecular biology. Then you worked for pathological lab, and you have observed all the things in that pathological lab. And you decided to run a pathological lab.
Correct.
And it was very interesting that when we were talking about your lab, then you were talking that you went at 5:30 for collection.
Blood collection.
Yes, blood collection.
Because for senior people and all,
Yes.
they require.
Yes.
So I do my service at the very earliest.
Yes.
That is the one benefit. Everybody started trusting me and my lab.
Yes.
Because this person, when I say something, they will definitely be at the door.
Okay.
That is one plus for.
Yes. And your plus point is that you like to do something different from the common people.
Correct.
That is, pathological lab running pathological lab is not very difficult, but it is difficult to do something unique
From others.
So I think that is from pathological lab to government job, and suddenly you left that government job.
Correct.
It is against the
Something different. Nobody will leave
government job.
They somehow try to push
Yes,
there and stay there for the pension.
Yes. And at that government job you started some physical problems, and then you tried to gym for
recovering from that.
For self.
And
And then you became the trainer for others. Meanwhile, you have completed that is S certificate, and another is that EREPP certificate. So let me know what are these certificates.
These certifications are like accepted by almost 80 plus countries.
Oh.
So they recognize this. When you say that I am an ACE fitness trainer, other 80 countries plus they recognize, oh, ACE means no. We know what is ACE. So if you do a local Indian certificate or the state level certificate, it will not be recognized throughout the world.
Okay.
That is why this is considered little higher, and the quality of certification is different from other certificate.
Yes.
Because here getting clearing that course is like little tough. In the sense, if you get the material and you keep it next to you, and if you want to write that exam, you cannot write. The book is open in front of you,
Yes.
and you want to write from that book, and you copy and write the exam, you cannot pass it, even if you have the book in your hand.
Yes.
The book or whatever, you have to understand the concept.
Yes.
वो concept समझ में आने के बाद आप वो exam clear सकते.
अच्छा,
इसीलिए थोड़ा नॉलेज गेन करने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है।
ओके।
वो प्रिपरेशन तो अलग होता है।
हम्म।
ये इसीलिए वो यूरोप का वो यूरोपियन सर्टिफिकेशन,
अच्छा,
अगेन वो भी कंप्लीट यूरोपियंस में एक्सेप्ट करता है।
अच्छा,
इसको भी सेम वही था, वही सेम ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एस, वो दोनों का एक ही जैसा सिलेबस होता है।
अच्छा, अच्छा। ACE means American
Council on Exercise.
Exercise.
Europe is European certification.
Okay, European certification and American certification.
Yes.
So you did both successfully.
Successfully.
Okay. Congratulations for that.
Thank you, thank you.
Now again we will क्या बोलते हैं हम, अगर फिर हम ऐसे बात करते हैं कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो आप जो बोल रही थी,
Correct.
तो मतलब बहुत सारे हमारे जो मतलब व्यूअर्स हैं, तो उनको पहले आप बता दीजिए कि व्हाट इज एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, व्हाट इज द बेसिक आइडिया बिहाइंड द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप.
Correct, correct. So especially entrepreneurship is like basically you run a business. So that is usually like solo or with partnership,
Okay.
whatever it is. So basically, I feel like I don't want to run with the partner.
Okay.
So all my ideas are from my own
Oh,
instinct.
yes, yes.
In the sense, when I want to do such things, okay, let me try. Let me start doing it. And put your full work there, hard work there. Not just starting and sitting. You have to work for that.
Yes.
Then you will get to that. And main idea for me is entrepreneurship. And by the time you are sitting at home and preparing for your home, everything, whatever, family, heart to heart, you will be spending 2-3 hours in a day.
Yes, yes.
Rest of the hours, what you are doing.
Yes.
Do something for your own. It makes you happy. It feels happy for you.
Yes.
And you mint money also.
Yes,
You make
yes.
money.
Money, yes.
That is actually going to support for the family also and for
Yes.
yourself.
Yes, yes.
वही इसीलिए वो confidence भी build है.
अच्छा.
You will get more confident. The way you talk, way you proceed with people. And main thing है ना, वो ज्यादा का ज्यादा लोग मीट करते हैं. घर में बैठने में क्या करते हैं, किसी को भी मालूम नहीं पड़ता कौन है ये जी. ये तो घर वाली है, ये घर का काम करती है, फैमिली संभालती है, उसी है ना. इसके लिए पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए ना. इतना पढ़ के पढ़ने के बाद आप वेस्ट करते हैं ना, उसका वो नॉलेज को वेस्ट करते हैं. मैं वही सोचती बार बार, नॉलेज गेन करो, उसके बाद यूज करो.
Yes, yes, yes. It's very amazing that this is your this thought or this is your thinking. It's very good, and viewers also will like
Yes.
your thinking.
Okay?
From that point of view, you tried gym for
Correct.
your personal fitness.
Personal fitness.
And how do you decide, or how did you decide to train others?
And that is what some of my friends, maybe the close people, they were asking for help. Initially,
Yes.
क्या है ना वो, तू पढ़ी है इसके बारे में, थोड़ा मुझे मदद करो, हमें मदद करो करके. मैंने सोचा ठीक है, मदद करूं. मदद करने के टाइम में वो सभी एडवांटेज हो गया, उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा था. ओ ये अच्छा है, तू अच्छी से सिखाती है करके वो एंकरेज किया मैंने मेरे टीचिंग को. मैंने सोचा ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा. 1-2-3 क्लाइंट को ले लिया, मैंने स्टार्ट किया. ट्रेनिंग, दूसरे को ट्रेनिंग करने में भी थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग चाहिए.
Yes.
ये सिर्फ वो सर्टिफिकेशन बना के ओके मेरा ट्रेनर बना दिया, ट्रेनर हो गया, अभी सर्टिफिकेशन हो गया, सभी मालूम है, वैसा नहीं. कभी कोई फील्ड में भी ऐसा नहीं होता. सब्जेक्ट स्टडी करो, थियरी अलग होता है, वो प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस अलग होता है. इसके लिए तो थोड़ा ट्रेन करके करके क्लाइंट्स को आपको प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस मिले.
Yes, yes.
ऐसा मेरा थोड़ा क्लाइंट्स को मिला. इसके बाद मैं सोचे थोड़ा स्लोली बिल्डअप करके अभी मेरे पास 36-40 क्लाइंट्स है.
Oh, 36 or 40 clients.
Around.
You train them.
Day to day basis.
Day to day basis.
Every day at least 8 to 9 hours I have to spend.
Oh. It's very difficult, no?
Difficult.
8 to 9 hours training for.
Yes.
And from gym, you started your solo, that is physical fitness training.
Correct.
That we call as a entrepreneurship.
Correct.
Yes. But it is known that fitness field is basically male dominating field.
Correct.
And you entered in that field.
Yes.
So, how many enemies you have?
Not like enemies. This is they all initially all men trainer or male clients, common people basically. They will definitely think no. See, women का वो weight वगैरह कैसे वो उठाएगी, कैसे वो टीच करेगी, वो इसके लिए थोड़ा बहुत ही मस्कुलर होना चाहिए.
Yes.
ये बात आपको सबको समझना चाहिए. तो फीमेल ट्रेनर और मेल ट्रेनर किसी को भी आपको सब्जेक्ट मालूम पड़ना चाहिए, आपको फिटनेस होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
बस इसके लिए आपको बॉडी बिल्डिंग नहीं करना है.
अच्छा.
आप तो बॉडी बिल्डिंग करके वो कंपटीशन में जीत के आने के बाद आप सर्टिफिकेशन करो, आप बाद में आके आप ट्रेन करो, ऐसा नहीं है. आपको साइंटिफिकली सब्जेक्ट मालूम पड़ना है.
अच्छा.
एनाटॉमी मालूम पड़ना है और फिजियोलॉजी सभी वो कोर्स में होता है. वो मालूम पड़ने के बाद आप थोड़ा फिटनेस होगी तो बस ठीक है. आप किसी को भी आप टीच कर सकते हैं. इसको प्रॉब्लम किसी को एक प्रॉब्लम्स होगा. तो इनके वो समझ के आपको टीच करना चाहिए. तो नॉलेज तो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. वो वही बात हो रहा है, वो वही स्पेशल है. मेरे क्लाइंट सभी क्या बोलते हैं ना, आपका यूनिकनेस क्या है ना, सभी को एक ही तरह मैं नहीं सिखाता.
हाँ, वही
एक का क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है वो समझ के उसके लिए उसका गोल के बहरा में काम करती हूँ. इसीलिए वो सभी नहीं छोड़ती.
अच्छा.
2 साल 3 साल नहीं, आप ही है मेरे ट्रेनर.
36 to 40 क्लाइंट्स अभी आपके पास है. तो वो सभी एज ग्रुप के होंगे ना,
सभी
कभी यंगर भी होंगे, कुछ एल्डर भी होंगे.
एब्सोल्युटली.
तो कुछ ऐसे कुछ मतलब उनको उनके हिसाब से आप सिखाती हो. जो अभी आप बोल रही थी कि ऐसे मसल बिल्ड नहीं करना है, फिटनेस इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. ऐसे कुछ मतलब उनको उनके हिसाब से आप सिखाती हो. जो अभी आप बोल रही थी कि ऐसे मसल बिल्ड नहीं करना है, फिटनेस इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट.
सभी को मसल फिटनेस नहीं चाहिए.
अच्छा.
मसल मस्कुलर बनाना चाहिए. तो मेल को मस्कुलर होना तो अच्छा लगता है. फीमेल को थोड़ा मसल भी होना चाहिए. ऐसा बड़ा वाला मसल नहीं चाहिए मेल जैसा. थोड़ा फिटनेस होना चाहिए वैसा. और एल्डरली पीपल को फिटनेस होना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
उनको मसल तो ज्यादा जल्दी बिकता है. एजिंग में वो मसल चला जाता है. इसीलिए पोस्चर भी डिफिकल्ट. वो यू कैन सी दैट लोअर लाइक काइफोसिस, ऑल दिस पोस्चर्स प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. इसी के वजह में नी पेन, बैक पेन सभी आ जाएगा. वो पेन नहीं आना चाहिए. अच्छा. पोस्चर सही से होना चाहिए. और बाद में वो चल सकता है. इनको सीढ़ी भी चलना है. वो सभी उनको प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. शुड नॉट बी डिपेंडेंट.
यस.
दे शुड बी इंडिपेंडेंट. वैसा ट्रेन करती हूँ पहला.
अच्छा.
के बाद में सभी फिटनेस मसल बाद में आएगा.
अच्छा. वही इम्पोर्टेंट है ना कि नहीं तो क्या लोग सोचते हैं कि अगर हम जिम जाते हैं, अगर फिटनेस कुछ करते हैं, तो पहले लोग बोलते हैं कि हम मसल इतना बढ़ाया और वेट इतना लूज किया और कैलोरीज इतना बर्न किया. वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. वो पहले फिटनेस, हर एक ऑर्गन का फिटनेस, मतलब अभी नी का फिटनेस हो, अभी हैंड का फिटनेस हो, शोल्डर का फिटनेस हो, तो वो आप उसी हिसाब से आप
पहला वही है स्टार्टिंग.
यस.
वो एक स्ट्रक्चर है तो बिल्डिंग का स्ट्रक्चर वो स्टील होता है ना.
उसके बाद वो सीमेंट डालेंगे तो पिलर गिर जाएगा. इसीलिए स्टील को स्ट्रेट करना है पहले. स्टील को स्ट्रेट करके बाद में हम सीमेंट डालेंगे. सीमेंट है तो मसल, ये स्टील है तो बोन.
ये एग्जांपल बहुत अच्छा दिया.
हम दोनों घर से अच्छा.
मतलब अभी आप बोल रही थी कि 36 या 40 क्लाइंट्स आपके पास है. हर दिन आप 8 से 9 आवर्स स्पेंड करती हो क्लाइंट्स के साथ. और उनको भी आप दिखाती भी होंगी, उनसे करवाती भी होंगी, आप खुद करती भी होंगी. तो फुल डे आप
मेरा फिटनेस भी इसी के अंदर हो
जाता है.
वेट्स लिफ्ट करती हूँ, उनको देती हूँ, बाद में खड़े रहती हूँ, बाद में उनको दिखा देती हूँ कैसे करने हैं करके. सो सभी के सभी मेरा फिटनेस बर्न भी एवरीडे कैलोरी टेकन केयर.
So your clients must be happy with you.
Very happy. That is why they are not leaving the slot.
Yes.
Many people are waiting listed.
Yes.
They are waiting for the slot.
Yes.
Slot मिलेगा तो हम आएंगे फिर.
Yes. And you are punctual in time also. So
That is
what
very-
is the reason behind that?
The reason behind this is like this was taught by my mother.
Okay.
So from young, you have to get up at this time, like a military rule.
Mm.
You have to go to school on time.
Mm.
No, should not be late. So everything punctual का मतलब 10 मिनट पहले उधर होना चाहिए.
Ah.
ऐसा मुझे ट्रेन कर दिया मेरी मम्मी ने. इधर से मैंने वही करेक्ट है. ठीक से होता है ना वो. It has given me many benefits also.
Yes.
If I be on time, people will start judging you.
Yes.
Otherwise, one time, one word you are giving, I'll be on that time and there. You are not giving that time and you are not reaching for the first meeting, then you are absolutely, the trust goes down.
Yes.
इसीलिए वो पहला meeting between two people. So what is the first people? Two like new strangers, they are meeting for the first time. They are talking in the phone. I am meeting you at this time. That time you have to keep up.
Yes.
That is the first thing we know about each other. Once you keep that, then further it goes.
Okay.
The dust builds up so slowly with them. That's why. And I don't want to waste others' time.
Yes.
I don't want others to waste my time.
Yes. Yes.
I always want that. Even my clients, I tell them this time, one day before I plan my day.
Yes.
If I tell them that we are meeting at this time, then they have to come at that time.
Oh.
If they don't, like they come 10-15 minutes late, some reasons could be there, but not every time.
Yes.
Then they don't value my time.
Yes. Correct.
So I feel bad.
Yes.
That is why I also make it. So same thing, other person also should not feel, no.
Yes.
If I say that I come by 8 o'clock, if I go by 8:10, they will get frustrated.
Yes. It's very true.
Then they don't value my time.
Yes.
Next time.
Yes. So for the time punctuality, mother is your mentor.
Yes.
And for this fitness or for this entrepreneurship, who is your mentor or you are self-mentor?
Yeah, basically it's my own instinct.
Oh.
My gut instinct is saying.
Oh.
So that is like whenever I see something, when somebody is doing some business or something they are into big in that line, why can't I do? Why can't I also start? Even they are also human being like me. Even they can think like that, why can't I also do it? That is my own instinct and I always have come with the own instinct.
Okay.
I've never thought like I should become like that person, I should become like this person. Every person might have undergone so many things in their life and got into that place.
Yes.
So it's not like I want to become like him, I want to become like her. I have my own problem, I have my own boundaries.
Yes.
So I wanted to start something small and make others happy.
Yes.
Basically I should also get benefited. I want everybody, others also to get benefited.
Yes.
It's like give and take once. So if the business should be like that. Only then you will grow.
Okay.
If you see that, no, I want to get benefited, whether they get benefited or not, if you leave it, the business will go down.
Oh. So these are the basic ideas behind running a business.
Yeah.
So for our viewers who may wish to run a small business,
Correct.
so what are your suggestions to them?
Yeah, especially first I would like to talk about women, because
Okay.
being a woman,
Yes.
I would first give preference for
Yes,
women
yes.
entrepreneur. See, if you are staying at home, definitely I am telling you, every woman, not only women, every man, every human being in this world, in this universe, they will definitely have any one particular thing they are good in.
Yes.
So nobody can deny. You don't compare yourself with your neighbors or anybody else. At my age, the other lady, she is doing that, why can't I? No, don't think like that. Think like what you are strong in. Which is your strong. Some people, women especially, they are at home, they will cook very beautifully.
Yes.
Very good dishes they will do. So they have to start something running with related to cooking. Which is strong. My strong hand is fitness and my strong hand is lab or whatever, my study. But your strong hand will be something else.
Correct.
So don't think like I also want to do the same thing. You should be unique in that line also.
Yes.
You have to start something different, something unique, and you will definitely shine into that and put your full hard work into that. Initially you need that hard work. 100% you have to give them, and then you can rely on your stocks later on. First you have to build up that basic structure that only you can do.
Okay.
You can't rely on others.
Yes.
Then automatically the structure will keep building and building, and it goes off. And timing, second thing, you have to keep up your timing with your customers, whatever you do, and whatever you commit to them, please attend to them.
Yes.
That is the trust line first you build up between your customer and yourself. That's what your empathy. You should not waste others' time. Nobody will waste your time.
Yes.
These are the key points. Then you automatically people will come for your investment, whatever business. Investors you get, and then you will shine in it.
Yes. So strong wish, time punctuality, commitments. So these are the basic
Key
ideas.
points. These are the
key points.
3-4 points are
Yes.
key points. If you have your past, you tick yourself there. You write in a paper and tick yourself. Whether you are into that, yes, I can. Whether
Yes.
you are into that, then you are ready to start a business.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will start in a manner in such a way, I can do it, but you will not stand to that points. And finally, you will end up in not continuing.
Yes.
That is why better to stay a strong business, you have to undergo, like you have to tick yourself with these key points.
Yes. Now, what are your future plans?
Future plans, yeah, I have many. Actually, I wanted to learn some instrument from now on, and I am planning for that. So, if I learn some instrument, and if I wanted to teach for some of the poor people, poor kids to develop that thing, like my passion, one of my passion.
Yes.
And I wanted to do so many other things. Art line, I'm interested. So I'm planning, and this beauty, that makeup thing, I'm planning to expand.
Okay.
So only thing, 24 hours is not enough.
Yes. That is what I'm asking you, that you have 10-year-old daughter, that is Aradhya.
Yeah.
She is a very good Bharatanatyam dancer. And you are inspiring and motivating her also to do so many activities or to
And
take
she is
some.
into gymnastics also.
Yes,
She
yes.
is a sports person.
Yes.
She does. She's an athlete. Everything.
Yes.
And I am trying to, I will always make sure that she should not miss her classes.
Yes.
So I will help her to do all those courses.
Yes.
So that is very important. Same time you also grow, you make others also to grow.
Yes. You are a good housewife also. So how you manage all this, that is to give time to daughter, to make house, and your so many activities, that is beauty parlor, pathological lab, and your fitness training. So how you manage that?
Don't ask me. 24 hours, out of the 24 hours, I think hardly 7-8 hours I sleep. Rest of the 18 hours I will be full continuously working.
Yes.
Morning my wake up time is like 4 o'clock.
Oh, 4
Night, 4 o'clock I will wake up because I have to make dabbas for my husband,
Yes.
for my daughter. I self cook, I
Yes.
don't have. And then I have to do all the, I have made for other work. But rest of the things I have to manage, and during weekends I used to manage my house, other things like whatever I have to arrange or whatever is there. But 5 days it's like a swirl, like a pool, the whirlpool.
Yes.
It's like morning morning you wake up, sunrise you see, by the time sunset comes.
Oh. So the 18 to 19 hours working a day,
standing, continuous working.
and no leisure time at Saturday, Sunday also.
Also, I don't if you ask me, my Apple phone usually it calculates weekly screen time.
Yes.
So my weekly screen time average per day is 1 hour, 10 minutes. My mobile time. So in 24 hours, only 1 hour 10 minutes only I watch every day. The sense is total that entire 24 hours I am messaging my WhatsApp, like only for business I do. I don't watch, I don't have time for anything to touch or to talk to any of my friends.
But please watch our YouTube.
Yeah. That I definitely watch.
And appeal some viewers also to watch the YouTube our interview and to subscribe our channel also. And share to others.
Everyone. It's really amazing what you are doing.
Yes.
And it's really at this age, even you are like me, like you don't want to sit idle. So you are doing something.
Yes.
And it is really good. In future, maybe I would go for such thing also.
Yes, yes. So you can make your
Yeah.
that is
No, like you, I will also try to interview many
Oh.
people to inspire for others. Like how
Yes, yes.
I spread the word,
Yes,
basically. How some people are like this and they are active in their own life.
so
Very good.
nice to talk with you.
Sure, sure.
Viji.
Thanks,
So
Aunty.
she's Viji.
Nice.
She's a she runs pathological lab. She's a beautician and she's entrepreneur, woman entrepreneur, and she talked very good with us. So thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
all the best for your all future activities.
Thank you so
And-
much, Aunty. आपका blessings.
Okay. Thank you.